In this segment, we'll learn how to manage users and agents. To see the user list, click Users tab. You can add user by clicking the New User button. Enter the username, email and other fields, and then click Save. The user will receive an email and they can accept the invitation and log into your subdomain. Admins.owner can view the details and the tickets of a user by clicking the Display button. To see Agent List, go to Agent List in the Settings page from the three-dot menu. Click Invite Agent button to invite a new agent. Type the name of the agent and choose one from the list. You can assign a department and then put a validity for the agent. Click Save to send an invitation to the specified email address. Now the agent will receive an email and they can accept the invitation and log into your subdomain.